Exploring time, comrades.
Now you see, comrades. Now I have to hunt for food, because otherwise I will starve to death in the wilderness. And the waiting begins. If you would get lost in the wilderness, you could always ask the local citizen for help. Hello there, Mr. Snail. Where is the closest liquor shop? Mr. Snail? Mr. Snail? Hello? Hello? And now you see, comrades! This is the paradise where all the animals go. You're doing it right! Stop with manuscript writer!
The taste of socialism.
Master of disguise! Hello! Hello!
Still waiting. Now, if all else fails, you always have green energy. A wild drink for a wild wilderness.
Cut! It's fucking hopeless! I'll never get out of here! At last! Civilization